So when I say, where are you grabbing those key critical areas? Every day I go back as far back as I need to go, and I start here. I start farthest out, work my way in. We have to go back until we get data that will start to tell us, hey, where does this want to go? What does this want to look like? Right? You can do it off the 4 hour, as long as you can go back in time till you start to find data. And you see the data back here that we can go for the low side? And now every one of these are going to matter throughout today, as long as it stays below 241. You will go back in time and you will look at all of these to start to determine these key critical levels, support, resistance, any types of bounce. Where has it touched a lot? What did it do when it got there? What is it possibly going to do this time? Now here's one. You can see it here, here, here. See it? You got one here, here, here. Do you see how we're starting to see these little moves? They're little micro moves, but they're going to matter today.